issued a hazardous materials warning for the following counties or areas. Contra Costa, California. At 7:48 p.m. on February 1st, 2025, effective until 11:48 p.m. Shelter in place for portions of Martinez. More info at cchgalth.org. This is a message from Contra Costa Health Services. There is an emergency at the Martinez Refining Company. Residents in portions of Martinez, north of the refinery, should shelter in place due to impacts from smoke. Please go inside, close all windows and doors, turned off all heaters, air conditioners and fans. If not using the fireplace, close fireplace dampers and vents, and cover cracks around doors and windows with tape or damp towels. Updated emergency information can be found on Medium News Networks and by going to www.cchgalth.org. Stay off the telephone unless you have a life-threatening emergency.